Higher we go, begging please for the growth. I'ma put these racks in your face. In your face, show you that you lame. I'ma stash the M's at my place. In my place, but no I'm not.
Alright guys, we're going for a ride. We're in a Toyota Camry. Is this a Camry?
Yeah.
vvt-i for life. Alright, we'll be back. Fuck him. Oh, it screamed. That was probably the exhaust. Alright, we'll be back, guys. Yeah, keep it down. Let's hear this.
He dropped his phone. Dude, when that shit would hit the gas, his phone was out of his hand. Just hold up a little bit longer, John.
We'll definitely be back by 150. It's 110 only. So guys, we're in a 2002 Toyota Camry vvt-i. Straight pipe, right?
Completely, yeah.
Completely straight pipe. No cat. Let's see how these people like it.
I heard the gunshot now.
Yeah, dude, you can hear it.
Went to this thing where you just pop, cut the pop. I can't do it.
This guy in front of us is probably like, fuck this kid.
If your windows weren't tinted, I would fuck them all. I heard it that time.
She got pissed. She's fucking pissed.
She just gave
She's pissed. Yo, rev it up. She's fucking pissed.
She can't get mad about having a fucking loud car. He wasn't breaking any laws. I don't think she liked the popping.
I think I would turn here before she gets the plate. Right here, you can cut through to Mavis.
What, this road?
Yeah. I think, yeah, this road.
I know there's one up there. I didn't know.
Oh shit, is this the road? We're just gonna be behind that bitch again.
Poor lady. The poor fucking lady. We're not gonna be behind her. Not exactly.
Why is this guy turning around?
I'm fucking out. He lives there, possibly. Or he took a wrong turn. You probably did the same shit as us.
Mustang.
We got a Mustang GT. You know you gotta go.
way that guy's getting us. This road. Yep. Whoa.
We must challenge the challenger. Oh,
Now we're gonna.
Hell no. Why not?
Now we're gonna see some good cars.
It was a stock one. It wasn't even fucking like, you know. You sure you want that?
Yeah, maybe this is right there. We are here. Oh yeah.
Right next door.
There's a new Acura right there.
That's the accident.
That's a new TLX.
Nice, especially with that blue.
Yeah, I know. Alright guys, we arrived at our destination. We'll be back.
No.
Alright guys, no plate. So we're in a 2002 Toyota Camry. You know, we got that street pipe. No plate. Fuck the plate. 5% tint. Who's in here? We're on a fucking Toyota, fucking Passat wheels. We got subs in this bitch. It's manual. vvt-i. So I'm gonna show you guys some clips now. Alright guys, so we got the subwoofer here. We're gonna show you. So we recorded some clips before we did the intro, so it's gonna be kind of backwards. There's the kicker sub. We got the LED lights too. Fucking lit. So, yeah. I hope you guys like this car. We're gonna do a real review on it one day. We're just gonna do some pulls because we don't have time for a review. 139. Alright guys. $15 an hour. This man just got another job. So he's gonna quit that job and move over here.
Yeah, I explained exactly what happened. He's like, that, and but the difference over here is he makes commission. So I'll be making that on top of what you get paid out.
So let me guess, you're dropping off and go back?
Yeah.
And I was just saying, you know, he could just drive there, show me how to drive manual, and I could drive back. But then you realize you would.
In that short amount of time, you would not be able to.
Guys, look at that Toyota.
This bitch is gonna look at you, dude.
What the fuck?
Alright, dude, she's ridiculous. Now we're behind it. You heard?
Yeah.
Crazy bastard.
I got that on camera. Got that on fucking camera.
Crazy son of a bitch. You crazy motherfucker. You crazy son of a mother.
Got that on fucking camera.
That guy in the Prius is bitch.
Yeah, he was.
Why do you say that? My car's loud. I can't help it.
You were in the 50s. It's a 30.
The Audi's doing 50, so he'll go pulled over first. Or no, we'll get pulled over because we got the loud exhaust.
I'm gonna be chilling that archway until I pick up my sister. Just let it out. Nobody record this. You recording that?
Go!
Cappy, you fucking idiot! Woo!
Alright, record this.
He looked at me as, yo, he's fine.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
No! You don't do it. That guy, yes.
Oh shit!
You better not do that until you learn how to not fucking fall off.
Yo!
I've been riding it for a while before
I got.
Yo, that motherfucker.
Wait, you recorded that?
Yeah. Ah.
Yo, I
Oh
think
shit,
he-
cop. Oh, I thought that was a cop. That light reflected. I was gonna be like, oh shit.
Dude.
Bye bye.
Dude, I think he thought Happy was telling him to gun it.
Actually, which I'm okay with, because he did it so nicely.
WRX.
I know you feel challenged by that, but it's in the parking lot.
Jesus Christ, the motherfucker is gone.
Oh yeah, he's all the way up there.
Dude,
Who's
it's
this, my dude? Hey, look, it's a girl. Fuck, suck my dick.
suck my dick!
Fuck you.
I know that bitch. It's Nikki.
Suck my dick.
Suck my dick.
Suck my whole dick.
Yo, let's pass her again. Don't suck my dick.
I told you to be back by 150.
Exact.
Jesus Christ.
149. Max! Fuck you! Launch it. Yo!
What the fuck?
Slammed up your ass. One more time. Oh, that truck is.
Wait, you're staying for a little bit? Huh? Wait, you staying for a little bit?
No, he's parking.
Oh, I gotta pee. Oh my fucking Christ.
Oh, there's a Civic. Your nice ass Civic in this fucking Toyota.
My shit looks fire as hell compared to this shit.
Definitely.
Sound?
Yo, fire as hell. Fired. Fucking fired.
Andrew, unlock your car.
Go.
Because you're leaving, so it don't matter.
Alright, I gotta go.
Now get out of here.
Get out of here. He said, get out of here. Oh shit, we're gonna get a luncheon. Oh shit, we're gonna get a lunch.